They said my grandfather didn't talk much, but they also said if you gave him a bowl of catfish pepper soup, he will tell you stories all night. But his story lives on. Every Sunday, my dad will come home with fresh catfish, still moving in the nylon bag. And once we saw it, we already knew tonight was pepper soup night. My mom will smile, roll up her sleeves and go to the kitchen. She will clean the fish, blend pepper, crush spices and tear scent leaf with her hands. She did it with so much love, like the soup was a special gift. Soon the smell will fill the whole house. No one had to be called. Once you smelled it, you were already on your way. We will all sit down and for a moment everything else stopped. No one talked about school, work or bills. We just enjoyed the warm pepper soup, soft fish and spicy. It wasn't just food, it felt like home. It reminds us of where we came from. It brings us together. Now, every time I cook catfish pepper soup, I feel like I'm not just cooking, I'm remembering my family. I'm keeping our story alive because this soup is more than just a meal. It is love in a bowl. If this story makes you smile, don't forget to like, share and follow because this is one of the things you can do to support my work. I will surely bring more healthy recipes and more stories from the heart. I'm Chef Nisi. Love you. See you in the next one. Bye.